traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 25th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So a lot of the dollar pairs are making a really big dump right now, and look at gold. There's still no reason to think that the uptrend is over on gold. And actually, what it looks like is it looks like 1, 2, 3 ways down with a Fibonacci bounce and an engulfing move. Looks like another entry to go long. I might be a little bit cautious because it could be a wave 5, which means it could go up and take out the highs and then reverse back down. But I would definitely still continue to take every single long I see on gold because it's been extremely profitable. There's no reason to think that the higher time frames have finished. So why not continue to trade with the trend? The trend is your friend for sure. At least until we get some sort of a break of structure, preferably on the 4 hour to daily time frame. To the downside, I definitely would continue to look for longs every single chance I got at the end of three-way pullbacks especially. So, taking a look at the news calendar, we have some Swiss news tomorrow morning. We got Swiss interest rate. They are planning on lowering interest rates by 25 basis points. And then in the U.S. session, we got unemployment claims and we got final GDP. Definitely pretty good news events. The power speech is not actually a real power speech. If you actually read this little description here, it is actually a pre-recorded thing that they're playing at the Treasury Department, I believe it is. Yeah, at the Treasury conference that they got going on tomorrow. So it's not really a real Powell speech, but anytime Powell is in the news calendar, we got to be careful because he definitely can move the market, whether it's a real Powell speech or not. So definitely keep an eye on the Swiss pairs and the dollar pairs tomorrow, especially. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.